Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. Today I have something really special for you because I will be walking us through how to create a landing page and connect your domain on ConvertKit. I've done this video before, and that was based on system.io, but of course there's so many tools out there that does the same thing, almost similar things. And if you are that person who loves ConvertKit, like I realized that a lot of people do recently, this video is going to be really helpful for you. So I'm going to walk us through how to create a landing page to collect emails or to sell products, whatever that is, how to connect that to your domain, how to create a thank you page and things of that nature. So this video is going to be really helpful, so stick around for that. Also, I want to make a correction in this video because in my last video that I did on ConvertKit versus system.io, I made a claim that which isn't true. I now realize that on ConvertKit you can actually track your conversions from a landing page through to the thank you page if you decide to run paid ads. So that is not true. With ConvertKit, you can actually have a thank you page, which wasn't the case before, but I'm now making this video to update that claim and to just set the record straight. Let's get right into it. So here is my ConvertKit account. I've just made this account. It's a free trial just to go into it. I may start using it soon, who knows, but I've been really just playing around with it, and I just want to make this video because you can actually create a landing page. If you go under to the grow section of the navigation tab, you see landing pages and forms, and when you click on that, it brings you to this page where it says landing pages or forms. So you want to click on create landing page. That's what you want to do. So when you click on that, it's going to take you to this page right here where you have all types of templates that you can select from and maybe just edit to your needs as it suits you. But here we're just going to do a very simple email collection template that we can use to collect our emails, and I'm going to choose this right here. I think it's really beautiful, so let's choose that. All right, so we've come here. It's called Cedar landing page. The first thing we want to do is to change this to whatever name that you want. We can call it test landing page. Boom, good. So now that you've done that, you want to come around here. You can edit as you like. The good thing is you can change the pictures, you can change the editing, you can change the font, the boldness. Everything is very changeable. First name, last name, email address, you can switch it around as you like, move that around. It's pretty simple. If you've used any landing page building software, it's very similar to that, only that here it's even more simpler, I should say, and that is how you build your landing page. There isn't a lot of like drag and drop and ConvertKit because I just wanted to like get straight to it. So now that you've done that, you want to add another page. If you want to have like a thank you page, then you can add page. You go to the tab there, it says add page, and it automatically calls it a thank you page because that is really what you want. So thank you for signing up. You can edit this as you want as well and add whatever message that you want to add in there. So I think that's pretty much all you can do. Landing page and thank you page. They're not doing like upsells and cross sells and things that you can get on platforms like ClickFunnels, system.io, and all of this really robust software that's been around for a while. So on the thank you page, you can just change things around like I said. So let's go to the settings here for the thank you page. Here it says general. So when a visitor subscribes to your page, what do you want them to do? Of course, you want to redirect them to the thank you page. So normally if you have a thank you page, you want to redirect them to the thank you page if you have more information on the thank you page, or you can redirect them to an external page. You just come right here and add your domain name, the website URL for the external URL. But in this case, you want to redirect them to the thank you page. Also, if you come to the domain name, as you can see right here, we don't have any custom domain name. I'll be showing you how you can do that as well. Also, incentive, if you want to send them an incentive, maybe a downloadable PDF or a lead magnet, you can send that to them using the incentive function. You go to advanced, change what's shown to return visitors who have already subscribed to the form. So if people have already subscribed, you can show them something else. You can hide the form. You can show a custom content. I mean, you can type something there to show that, hey, you've already subscribed in the past. It's time to do something else. And if you come here to the SEO and analytics, you connect your Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, Facebook. If you want to track with Facebook Pixel, you can do all of that stuff here, which is really good. So That's that about creating the landing page. Is pretty straightforward. It's not as technical as you might think. So now that we've done that, what do you now want to do is to connect your domain name, which is really what you want to do here. You want your landing page to have your domain name so that you seem like a very serious business. People come to your website, they're not seeing something ck.page, whatever that is. So what you want to do now is to go to settings. You want to go to settings and you want to go to domains. And right now we have a ConvertKit domain as the default. Now I want to add a custom domain. Now if I go to my Namecheap account, I have a bunch of domains there that we can use as an example in this video. I have this domains that I have, Revive Health HQ, whatever that is. I use that as a test in one of my previous videos. I have a lot of domain names, and I'm pretty sure you do too. If you're into like online marketing, you have a ton of domain names. So I'm just going to delete everything else that we have here. So now you want to go to advanced DNS, and when we come back here, we're going to type in our domain name, which is revivehealthhq.com. And where do we want that domain name to point to? We want it to point to our test landing page that we created previously. We want it to point to that. Now this is where it gets interesting. What you want to do now is to add this records. You want to add an A record, 3 A records to your Namecheap account. So you come to your Namecheap and you click on add a new record. You want to add an A record. In the host, you want to type in the @ symbol and you just copy the IP address. Do that. You create a new A record. You type in that. You copy the next IP address. You paste it there and you create a new A record. You type in the @ then you copy the final IP address. So we're just going to do that. I'm going to paste it. So we want to save all changes. So that is all you need to do. Copy the 3 A records, the 3 IP addresses, create a new A record on Namecheap, put it in there, and you save all 3. So right now you want to click on validate, but there's a very good chance that it's not been validated yet because it takes about 20 to 30 minutes. With ConvertKit, it might take about an hour, but once you do that, as you see, double check your DNS records. So we don't expect it to be validated yet, but when you come here in an hour or so, it should say verified, verified, verified. So then you will be able to point your domain name to that landing page that you've built. And the bad side, the downside is that you can only do one at a time. You cannot have like a slog, say Revive Health HQ / something that points to a different landing page that you create on ConvertKit. So that is how you do that with ConvertKit, how you create your landing page and then point your domain name to that landing page. If this video has been helpful, let me know down in the comment section down below. If you want to make more content on ConvertKit, let me know as well in the comment section. And again, thanks for watching. Help you subscribe. My name is Daniel and I'll see you in the next video. Take care now.